Hello, just wanted to make a quick video about some of the distributed compute stuff that we've been working on. Big motivation behind that is a lot of these reports that we run to do all this stuff here takes quite a bit of computing. You know, there's a lot of stuff happening, right? You just pull it up here. I mean, this is just like one little audit thing that I'm doing here, but therein lies my point. What we wanted to be able to do was basically serialize or parallelize a lot of the processes that are happening. So, for example, with stuff that we do in terms of like finding KOLs, we start with an ecosystem list here. So in this case, we'll take Arbitrum as an example. So what we want to do is go get all the followers of all the accounts on the Arbitrum list, 242 here. We also want to go get all the people that are engaging with those accounts too. And we want to go get all the accounts that these accounts are following, right? So that gives us like a nice, healthy, big lake worth of accounts that we can then filter from to find the best influencers in those ecosystems. So all of those different functions really lend themselves well to being parallelized, right? In the case of following, right? So of these 242 accounts here, who are they following, right? Well, the way that everything's written is it basically has to do one at a time, and that takes a while. So what we've done is make the system more parallelized, and this is what we're going to be doing with distributed compute. So we use the Ray module. So I'll actually do a test here. Well, not even a test. I'm actually just going to be running this report for Arbitrum here. So we're going to get or run the following report. So these 242 accounts, who are they following? So I'm going to say yes, and what was our list ID again? 768. Okay, I'm going to have to enter that again because of some dumb thing in the code that I haven't fixed. So now what it's going to do is launch array instance, which there's already one started here. And then what it says is, okay, cluster, here's the work that needs to get done. And then it's about to start divvying that work up. It has 352 on the list here, or 152, however many it has on there. And it's going to open up all those threads in parallel to go get the following of those accounts. So that's what we're looking at here, getting started. So that was 242 essentially processes loaded up simultaneously. What you're seeing on the right here is one of the audience processes. So this is actually running for, I think, several hundred users and all of their recent posts and all the people engaging with those posts. So it's going and pulling all that at once. So what the Ray module does is put all these processes on a cluster, and it basically uses the resources available to the cluster to solve the problems as quickly as possible. And that is what we're going to be, essentially fueling with the distributed compute network that we're putting together and using the token to basically adjudicate that. So what you're looking at here is the Ray module, the distributed compute module that's actually built into our product and our platform. So these are the actual functions that businesses will need to run to get the value out of them. So what I'm showing you here is that we're, again, currently using all the distributed compute tech. What we need now is just the computers to join the network there and then lend their compute resources to it. So just wanted to give you a quick video on that. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.